Hey everyone, welcome back to Editing Basics. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add motion blur in Picsart. So let's begin. First of all, open your Picsart application. Now, here you can see this search icon on the top. Tap on this search icon. Now search motion blur. So as you can see, there are a lot of motion blur effects that are available here. Some of them are free, where some of them have to be paid. Click on the ones that are free. Tap on any one of them. So here you can see you can adjust them by having these options here down. Now tap on choose my photo. So you can choose the photo in which you want to have motion blur. Tap on the photo that you like, and now you can see you have entered this editing platform. Now you can edit accordingly, and at last tap on this tick button on the top, and now you're done. So this is how you add motion blur in Picsart. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you.